Ḥudhayfah bin Yamān and his father Yamān, they were the ones that witnessed the battle of Uhud. And his father was martyred. But his father was killed by the Muslims wrongly by way of a mistake. Because at that time the armor that they would wear armor and cover their faces. And bearing in mind, in one of the narrations, it mentions that he was an elder and he was put back where the women were. But when the battle was taking place, he said to his companions, "Shall we not fight in the battle? How long do we have left?" So they came in. And because they came in their armor, they was not recognized. And they were killed mistakenly. فظن المسلمون أنه واحد من المشركين فهجموا عليه فحذيفة يرى من بعيد وينادي أبي أنه أبي ولكن قتلوه فقال حذيفة إنه أبي. So Ḥudhayfah from a distance could see that the Muslims surrounded his father. And they did not know. They thought he was one of the mushrikeen, one of the polytheists. So they surrounded him and they killed him. And he from a distance was saying, "He is my father, my father, my father." And then when he came to them, he said, "Verily, he is my father." But they already killed him and they said, "قالوا والله ما عرفنا." They said, "By Allah, we did not know." وَصَدَقُوا رَضِيَ اللَّهُ تَعَالَى عَنْهُمْ. And they spoke the truth. They did not know that he was his father. But the shahid of this story, look what am I about to say. May Allah guide my tongue, give me strength to narrate this. A man has just seen his father be killed. Imagine on the battlefield, his father has wrongly been killed. And look what his words were. يَغْفِرُ اللَّهُ لَكُمْ وَهُوَ أَرْحَمَ الرَّاحِمِينَ. He said, "May Allah Azza wa Jal forgive you. Indeed, Allah Azza wa Jal is the most forgiving, most merciful." How are we in relation to this? Someone says one kalima wrong to us. We don't want to speak to him. We don't want to see his face anymore. We have a little dispute and we are ready to fight our brother. Family members may do a wrong thing and you cut off ties with your family over such so small because of your pride and your emotions. Ḥudhayfah, his father was killed, and because he knew it was out of a mistake, look at his heart. He said, "Allah, may Allah forgive you, and he is most merciful." And then he goes on, ثم انطلق في المعركة ويقاتل ويؤدي واجبه فيها. And then he left them and he continued fighting and he carried out what was obligatory upon him after seeing his father being killed. ولما علم النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم أراد أن يدفع دية أبيه. And when the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam found out about this mistake, the Messenger sallallahu alayhi wasallam wanted to give him the blood money. Give him the blood money for the mistake of his father. فماذا فعل؟ فتصدق بها الحذيفة على المسلمين. الله أكبر. He took that money of diya and he gave it in charity to the Muslims. فزاد مكانه عند رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم. And then his makana, his station was raised with the Messenger صلى الله عليه وسلم. ما هذا الحلم وما هذا العفو وما هذه المسامحة من الصحابي الجليل رضي الله تعالى عنه وعن أبيه. Look at this level of forgiving and pardoning. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with him and his father. Ameen.